I want to play for you something your fellow Dartmouth grad Neil Katyal said today. We'll talk about it on the other side.
I don't understand why Barr hasn't been forced to testify. I don't understand why the House of Representatives keeps on funding this Justice Department when they act in such a lawless way. I don't understand why the subpoenas haven't been issued yet. So, I think, the first and most the culpable parties, of course, that the Justice Department and the president. But I do think that the House has something to bear here, and the Senate as well.
So, Maya, you hear it in Neil's voice. So much of this is done with such seeming brazen impunity. Will Congress get its courage on?
Congress needs to get its courage on, because I think that the urgency that you heard in Neil's voice is absolutely right. It cannot go unanswered. We can't have, literally, we just watched Mr. Berman, the U.S. Attorney for the Southern District of New York, who was appointed by Donald Trump, who was a person who contributed to Donald Trump's campaign, but was behaving, as far as we can tell, as a neutral prosecutor, get pushed out of the job, and frankly, a very suspect explanation about why. We have the Michael Flynn situation, in which Michael Flynn pleaded guilty on 2 separate occasions, and now we see the Barr Department of Justice essentially trying to unravel that prosecution and his own admission of guilt. This is outrageous. The Democrats have to stop worrying about an election and start worrying about the Constitution, because at the end of the day, this is about whether we, the people, get represented to the degree that we should to protect the Constitution. We have protesters in the streets saying, we are not receiving the equal protection of the laws, at the same time that we're watching essentially people who are powerful, who can sidle up to a president and claim him as friend, getting all kinds of special favors, when frankly they're putting the country in a lot more danger than anything that we hear Donald Trump complaining about from protesters.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me, or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.